Okay, thank you. So we are Access Return and we are very happy to be here. I'm here with my colleague on stage who will drive the demo. So we've got a mission. We want the stock market to become child's play. How do we do that? Well, personally, I'm working for more than 20 years on the stock market. And what I can tell you, one of the biggest problems on the stock market is to be able to identify the greatest ideas for the coming months. I mean, hot stocks such as Netflix or 3D Systems or Tesla Motors, everyone wants that, but it's complicated because not everyone is a market guru. That's the first difficulty. The second big problem as an investor is once you get the idea, is to get some report on that, some analysis, but please in a clear language, not 200 pages in Times New Roman 4. So that's the difficulty because not everyone is a financial analyst, but today, and especially for Finovate, we come up with a solution. First, how do we find cool stocks? Well, before you had to look for brokers' notes, read long blogs on the internet, try to find your way through boring figures, but today, just open this box, this idea box, and you'll find great ideas, buy or sell ideas. So, let's scan the stock universe and let's find the most promising stocks. No need to do complicated manipulation, just choose your markets. For example, Nasdaq, nice, choose your sector if you want, and the company size. That's all for now. Let's search. Thank you, Eric. And those are the hot stocks ready for action. So why are they so promising? Because we've got a green light on every aspect from valuation to risk. But of course, you always can refine your selection if you want. You can add specific conditions. To do so, just open the advanced tool panel and choose, for example, price earning in low or mid-range. But if you don't know, we will give you some tips. We will help you with some tips. That's good from now, Eric. Thank you. We're going to refresh. And these are the hot stocks. They are ready for action. So let's pick the first one, Stryker. Sounds very interesting. Now, how do we get information on that? A quick analysis, now and fast. And here is the solution, the automatic report. This is a fully automatic report on every listed stock worldwide, 50,000 stocks, by a simple click on a button without any human intervention. And in this report, we'll give you a clear recommendation on the stock. Is it a buy? Is it a hold? Or is it a sell? So what do we get in this report? Everything. Of course, you'll get access to key statistics, company profile, but even more important, what we consider as being the top picks within the sector. But the key point lies in the interpretation of the data. Interpretation of the data in a clear language. We buy a whole lot of raw data, financial data at night, and we translate everything in the morning in a clear language, your language. So why look Stryker so appealing? Because as you can see, valuation is very reasonable. Analysts are enthusiastic. Technical analysis is bullish. The financials are sound and the risk is very limited. Eric, would you like to go to the valuation section, please? So why is it cheap? Why is Stryker so cheap? Because it's priced a lot below the fair value. And to come up with a fair value, we use 15 different valuation models. Of course, you get access to everything from absolute valuation to sector multiples, dividend policy, etc. But the key point, again, it is the interpretation of the data. You don't have to be a financial analyst to understand. So let's have a look at what analysts are saying. Do they have the same opinion? Here we cover everything from target prices to recommendations, earnings revision. And we do the same for technical analysis, which is also a very important aspect. And we detect automatically support and resistance and signals, and we give you the most probable scenario regarding the timing, the moment to buy or the moment to sell. Why is Striker a sound company? Let me show you why. Here we do a quick check on the financial statements of the company, income statements, balance sheet, and to assess the quality, we use more than 200 ratio on 5-year basis. Is Striker a risky business? Let's go to the risk section. Thank you. Not at all. And how do we know that? The risk is very limited because we cover everything from beta coefficient to volatility. So let's go back to the summary. Thank you. So you see, there is a lot of complexity in that report underneath, but we try to make it simple. We try to make it understandable for everyone. Good. So if you are an online broker or an investment bank or even a financial portal, that new generation tool will help you to enrich your platform and certainly boost your transaction volume. So business-wise, if you want to talk about business, please come and visit us at our booth and we'll give you a free access to that new playground on the stock market. Thank you.